picture, I guess. Okay, what else do I have? This one. Wow, this heart. And oh wait, I don't need that. Whoa! I want. Oh, I got an idea.
What did you say in your message?
Wait.
Can you read?
Yes.
What? Read it for me.
Later. I'm not yet done typing. Hmm. Ah, okay. Okay. Next. So, where is S? Done.
Read it for me.
Okay. Okay. So first I start here. So I have a video and
You read na.
there's no much time to show it. Okay, it says here, "Hi, it's me Tala. Merry Christmas, and I love you all."
Very good.
And then I made this picture of kiss, and a heart.
Very good.
I'm not yet done.
That's enough. It's okay.
Wait.
That's too much.
And the next, there's another thing.
What message did you say?
It says here, "I love you all so much. Heart, heart, heart."
Very good.